Ner malaken yam ka nas dialtin kontin barwanye lingwasame ka Nuer online TV channel enda manduni chan kodnyak malaya nung rwine gwasame ka Nuer online TV an wala shankara ka pai bangon ron kina dangro de jan dangro de die to kon kalari the very important killer to goro den are in palping kalyang den bantin kono to ban killing ban right kalari shop kongwan na wonyam katin baj in kon lat karodian rei wich ka South Sudan kenyam goro jeno bana right ka kwire ka miche tuok rei wich ka Sudan ban kulo wakati ndiala ko kina gor kon gan wode kon kalat. Breaking news: a very bad landslide has happened in Mara Mountain of Sudan. A landslide is when the ground rock and mud fall down the mountain. This disaster killed many people. Reports said at least 1,000 people are dead. The army said only one organ survived. This is very sad news for the people in Sudan. Families are crying, villages are destroyed, rescue teams are trying to help, but the damage is too big. We will bring you more news as update come. Jolin kon magwasame. Are wika Sudan, chalado shane di shopke kit chakanak, na gwami machumun Japan Widian. Muna mo Japan, akapian akanitin konti di dawich ka Sudan. Ano, ala ngay konen go menshal ke landslide talamun la ler pin medong, siya let tarpam, kie siya let gwami munde, timun nyal kadien pinde. Gwadran je tikering mchitok dong dera has square dong dera to kokini tuok den bumuna mo borode lat kibe yo pen alo bana baga shumol pin genetin konti la ji Sudan jaga shumol pin en gwas money gwadran en chinmo tok ten shala Mara Mountain ka Sudan den gwadran en chi muna mo chenedi shop ke kit jaga nekten waram kel gar wad jaram dana chicken ere gam dan chode lat no chinetin konten la na wel waka chikawa ko kan an gwada mi chate ne tin wanti chi chu jalong ne the content chicken but they will tandi na wateram chicken no gwada dan chi mun mo chapenten jene dikit chaga chunak no ka jiboni ti chala no gwada na barna rodinten na mene mi show the lat ki mi chi talk jawdi na ban lingwa me ban right kamana talk re which doran konware Mabanlinga cha new commissioner shaje welcome natin kontila Nuer Ayod bukon madana le rode re wishin with me ban jelinkel angam lorke ki angum togre wishin with me ban jelinkel nona chan jelinga do bana chalat ke jeban kul nyolu njok katungnat. Today in Magog Payam, people welcome the new Ayod County commissioner. His name is Honorable Nin Gadmaiwol. The leadership of SPLM-IO under Dr. Riek Machar, and the citizens receive him warmly. People say they are happy to see new leadership. They hope he will work for peace and development in the county. Meanwhile, in Upper State, there was a clash force from Kiir side and Riek side fought in Longchuk and Tonja, but no one was reported killed or injured in the fighting. Community leaders are calling for calm. People want peace, not more war. Jowling yan magwasame re which ka yuden winemi. Ketwogo no cha kume SPLA-IO and wa cha ka queen kwar ala Ayod County Commissioner Mijidin Pai Kwan shall Honorable Nin Gadmaiwol ala kwar kume SPLA-IO no tinten winemi kanedial tintre wika Ayod County wachikan rama pai kwan no Honorable Nin Gadmaiwol wachikan welcome ke chikan alur ago along wachi loina chete the long ko chine dial chik ben gwaskel tingwana tikitin ke na dial kon tin nyot ke jen wo ke je Ayod County wachikan manchala da kuma dakring machar under wood shalke Nathaniel yet wachikan no ko long ko cha kwer ke commissioner mujidit jaja kwan ke kuma SPLA-IO ne tungwalat ken no men chala da kuma SPLA-IO jendo bnaw niam keje jendo bdan bu mal ben keje ka jendo bdan be development be ben keje no kana gone no bnaw niam no ko ba county Ayod ba jalat ka gwasante niam anyok murai kon gwasme re we ka panal state ngai correctin kon shodin lat kor kon atwok kam kum kirma yadit kene kuma dakring machar ritin kon ci twok lungu shuk kene tunja no cheteke tungwan lung ti chode lat gwaze ci ngwak ci twok tin ka panal karwade kula dor shalke tunja ci de ne SSPD ap chicken de ne SPLA yo chicken ga maktin ka chwa ga jo jok ka jo dan chalat ke report de ne chanong ba ko lungu shuk wachi de ne SPLA yo wachi ka de ne SSPD ap chicken ka maka korga me cha ga mak wachi chukan de ne SPLA yo chukan ka jo jok ka jo dan chalat ke je an wala che jo no chu kum SPLA yo chicken etin kontila de ne SSPD ap chicken ga jo jere wi ka lungu shuk no wa ken chigaben ka mechung wan ken de ne kirm yadit ken wenmo wa chu ken de ne SPLA yo chu ken ka buk wa ken de ne SPLA ken ka resistant ka dobnyam wa ka kora chu ken ka churi outdoor re ruop ko jawran chalat wa matiang town wa ten kum SPLA yo ten tama ka jaw linkor mo gwasme so kor to ka de charin lat kam de ne kirm yadit ken de ne dakring machar ka jaw chalat ne te kon nyen ka nuare karodian akam nuare karodian le roda mo ki kene de kontin yar ka kore ne de kon de pinkim yadit kene te wacha ko yo ko kene te mo mun nuare ken be kan kan ka do dan cha mu ka yo ge wana me chebogwa wa de nikim yadit wate ko ba ka juch ko chigan betere woje dan te tin kama tiang kanti ka jo dan chalat ka lungu shu kanti ana me report mi cha no ngono korngu de tin ko kume SSPDF wa kan te ke ngandi kan ga kok to moy kan ke yo ko bi kan kume ayo ki kum manan tin wor de tin bi kan ka joj ka jo dan chalat ne de konti nyin kan wor tele jang te tin jang wa ka kwar mi chawo jiga ka wa ka kwar ne de konin targa kor kan wor la kana da moy ke yo bi kan yo no ya kor ku kan wan wor ku kan le use kan de kondi la de ni ken gwada de dien me ka kuma SPLA yo lat kan no ne de content charin mat e kuma SPLA yo la de ni SPLA yo kan ngane nuare kan kon charin mat ko bi ga jang bi kan ga joyrar na me ngoda we ka wanyam ana bantin ko ken bana kalin ko gwasen be duno kor ngoda dide ko kor che tekenin da garawa tama rektin kona lat korodian ke rektin wana long di yanen video jami shatin ko lat korodian shaka ngach no gatin ko la kon kalat la kuma SPLA yo kene kuma kirma yadit no ta da ant korte tin geje ne de kon naka kanore kene de kon nagrodian kanore karo te kanore te dong bum wi den ki ci kana gono de chonkel kanore ko jogo jen wo ken ci position do anware kun den bi dam wora den bi nak ki bi gorno bi joy ka kor kajino e jenela ne nware ka la jangde je ko kadere no ko jenda na tok so jang ko kan nware ko bi nware bi ken kanak so koran tok cikan tok ka panal karwade Western Equatoria ba korten ku kam de ni SSPDF kana kuma SPLA yo bane jalga je kuma SPLA yo ko di nere kono ten winami ciga waka bon dakrang machar ajam ko ala ndo ci korja tok rei wika so Sudan kam de ni kirma yadit kana de ndin konti la de ni dakrang machar baldoran kono shal mi gwasame ba kon ba da kam kon korodan gwan mo liu konten ya mi jin wi wajana tele krek changa kel doren te kamal de ka tiare konte kam ken chicken ter dung mutogan shi dung yone kam nen yana man kana rodian karo cha kan panken tene kana competition ko ngam bedok ana jen competition dan tegeten wal gwad me doran kon ware ten jin ko ba kwerbe jigdi bari hangde so youth kan tactic mo ko ba jin mo ke yo bi she mor bi ko nak so chibile tier so mi chikana me amla roda jo me gor jen wodi yana link ka dob dan che to ko je ko rungut ke ten wo kan yam ka gor jen en wodi yarun palping ke tin ko lat ko rodien ban ray gwasa me ka jo mashalat no ko gor ko liang mo gwa banin kon to gwa ban ke ling tin ko lat ko rodien it ke very important ba ko de rod palping ke ling den jo ban ling gwasa me alanetin kontin la kume kiir mayardit ko la MP niken chala no cha kwarken no cha ka chol la kwara kona kap ko yo kwara kondin te ka lwang ka kwiyo ni chala do gorga ke ka cha ka chol no ko bikan do bodan en tel yo ko je re wi ka South Sudan bikan balat ban jo me ban je linkel ken yam ngane je no bol mel ne cha ko Dubai the United Arab Emirates ko ba yo ba kono but now cha to ko no watele yo la ne de ko lam pin la kan wajen kan wokan ka bang ba jonga no tele yo so chan jo me chan je linkel ko do bodan to ko ja. The National Parliament has made a big decision. They want to call the Minister of Finance and Planning, the Governor of the Bank of South Sudan, and the Financial Intelligence Unit. Why? Because there is a serious cash shortage in the bank. People cannot get their money. Lawmaker Michael Roth spoke in Parliament. He said the cash shortage is causing untold suffering to civil servants and their families. For 2 months now, salaries of workers and MPs were sent to their bank account. But when they go to withdraw, they cannot get cash. Some wait in line for many days, some can only take 50,000 pounds, others borrow loan just to buy food. Civil servants wait in line until traders bring money to the bank. Only then can the bank pay them. Lawmakers are angry. They ask, where is the money? Why are our people suffering when the central bank already sent funds to the bank? Some MPs say bank charge fees on withdrawal and deposit, but they do not give interest to people. This makes citizens lose trust in the bank. MP Bete Achan Aguaro say, when the bank take the little money you have, why would you keep your money there? This is why people do not trust the bank. MP Dushman also asked for answer. He said, we need the central bank to tell us clearly where is the money. Some MPs give ideas. MP Julius Molinga say maybe South Sudan should make a new currency. This will remove hidden money. MP Shabul Gosh said maybe the problem is because some South Sudanese pounds are moving into Darfur, Sudan. He asked for an investigation. Parliament will give question this financial leader in the coming days. The people want clear answers. Jolin kon magwasame Jordan Charlotte and 18 county MPs, ala members of Parliament. Ala Parliament ne kon tika Parliament Riken ke ti Carodian no ngumitela yuko jara yuke South Sudan. No. Ka jo Charlotte gwasame ala National Parliament wa chicken decision chicken yukan. Chicken Minister of Finance and Planning, Governor of the Bank of South Sudan chicken shushol. Ala Governor of South Sudan and the Financial Intelligence Unit chicken jogo no bia. Larne medana to ngumtu. Ko teme Teten, tell a yoka bang. A woman chin chicken you can jaka bang jamo. Jacan jo mo chicken tis go ngay con and wo melare guadame, choka bang, tell you to be jack. No. A woo, me tell a yo and guanamo. Shankiranaga bang be yo bigatel. Ramkel meran one Michel Michael road corium, ne me unwara, road corium, jaicharak ka Parliament. A janet do badana tell yoka je. A lengo. A janet do down tell you go jaganating one ko big chuja long. Civil servant can a native contilla Jewish, a lot tell you to jacka. So na me a woman knew them. Knew the general wait till a young, wait till a quack. A woman tell you go jay. Go and tell me chewy nas. Chicken you jack. You police chicken you jack. You pony piece but chicken you chicken jack. A reason, material reason, a major much a jalat. A janico call pen a dangro. Tell you to own salaries canka tumne con la tin la lot. MP la members of Parliament Pankin tell you can get kacha you can charge jaka bang. Jaga bang can. Do not much around where you welcome rally withdrawal with gelat. Chicken you can chicken with jack. Lana take a line, leave ka tap medit dong by you bagajik tell away. You know. Sometime but Tanat becan jing you the 50,000 pounds. Tanat becan you becan gaden. Go big con jack, but tell away. So I don't want you now. La you like an could live no Mitchy trader, Ricky Junior got Canada content got can walk, Michi Yoko Nanga Bang, Bahul Baholo Moika Yoton. Chinated con la Jung one shika gak, native content take a long kit and take a power to know what Pindian, Rewika South Sudan. And she can gak and tema. And a kenny a woman tell Yoka. A kenny Yoko cane. yo kan yutin content kuna la let kaka angum tel yo ka jaka bank ka cha yo cha kala rate so central bank cha jam cha kam ka yo already cha ka kam fan bara do badian mi chikan yo ngun ka ja chala do ne mi chiran cha jian che kan members of parliament don iran che ka bank we yo ka kamra wala ji ya chaike ala yutin content kam yo rar ka ja ba yo ba kan ga ji anyo bo mi jin le yo re che to yo no ba yo ba nyo mo ngok ka so right now a chibanga shoko che interest che ngun che na che garep ko yo che yo la re tel bijek so ku mo kanere ko la citizen ni re wike South Sudan chikan yo ke la deposit ka bank chikan yo ke la talk bank central bank South Sudan central bank ko chikan ku jeno tel mi deran yo la re ka tel interest mi bijek ten enona ramkel mala member of parliament mila MP chale beti chela do nena chale beti achana gwaro Ajanana, when the bank take the little money you have, why would you keep your money there? Ajana michi bank point la South Sudan bank michi yokum tinchelari michi go kan. No. Adobedian middle low gorian will be you buka leather jana. So bank a more charge langas anymore. Ko rami mo mekan yoku, kajan leather nekare ko dong dera ko gang la yug la okan ajana mo chichuang. MP bomedodian, Michelle Dushman. Che teacher ja kana wonene go na central bank no ba gwada dan anti youth in bajanyot bikana la no you shiko gwada menena so you kane so cha idea no ko ken cha le ngun ba members of parliament ba chikala do wonene rami mo members MP Julius Moling chela do wonene ajene South Sudan de kan youth jidine de kan kachak new currency de kan kamrar name ba do badan en cha you cha to ko je bakanyot Canada you to jidid de kamrar ala new currency ko te gane ti wato you do leken so ntem Richard George no cha you new currency ja kamrar ki you jidid cha kamrar you ke South Sudan dine di alkone ya you ya to de kan you ken de kan ka tanyrar na me to ko ntem me dong te ne de to you re dwele ku ka wi ku kana ja chu changa dana cha you to jidid cha ga introduce dine di ale kon de cha you ken cha ga to ku economic la ja ko be jegre wi ke South Sudan de kan barar namala ja yoske a leader mugoro be nat be kanyodo economic de nanga de kedo idara go ade ko right now en ran you the yoke tine ko ken chele de ni de ko ken ke shu na en MP me che suggest no de new currency de kamrar ko de ne de kon ya yo cha ga taw de kan ga chu kamrar de chu ngaje no kangani tin content yar ke South Sudan ki to ko yo MPs ne ti kan bonyok chikala de wonene ka jom chikan lat weekend no yo dio je wa min dak yo je MP Michelle Shabur Goch jara de jendo bdan tel yo je re ko South Sudan wa yo dia nang ka Darfur no South Sudanese pound are moving into Darfur Sudan so gor ka jeno de investigate wa yo dia la kontilat ke re ko South Sudan wa chikan de re ko South Sudan ko ne de ko la businessman ka South Sudan ke Darfurian so ji Darfur kene de konden jega yodial special market gena teno all the businessmen ke Darfur and so many real mi chajiga ken bikana jagwedian wajan do badana tel yo ke right now ko South Sudan so mugor kano bi wajba te kamal ke bi yobu ke den gor kano bi kana investigate na mogwa ko yo nanga karar ci yare gonde nang rar but you talk ko kwar gon kontin another question wona na mi yo la talk teleke ka yo den kontin be ko oil kan yo ko be ka liet ma wo ga pocket ka some politician so ne da talk ne da kon yar ka South Sudan ka cha en kon mi cha ja ko bogwa so mi chit kana me talk ka gurge jen wo de janga ka ta dan len ngwana ru den ka je ko mi banas na dong bi kana bi ka be lora ba quick mi dan le rode so na me yarana I took on another information mi bi kon lingwas me la report mi goro de rod palping ka leng ba nya selfa ke mayardit nyamu chalka dut selfa ke mayardit chala do jen boka Western Equatorial State wajen a first official trip outside of Juba bana jome bana jilinkel ka do badan en chetoga ja ngai konen go selfa ke mayardit ni me cha nyaare cha jakwan nyaare jale godi aren kontin dong ne de kon tikare ka gwan no gore jeno biga jek and then be loyalty de be nyot ken go let kon kel sko gore jeno be gwan be nyok te ka lonki be te ka power right now che move me che je make ko gore je no benite kon into Western Equatoria bako nyok muko convince ne ko ya ne kir mayardit ko de kan kir de kan support en chan je ling do badan en cha ela ye gwazme ko gor kono ban je ling ogwa. Adu Salva Kiir, the presidential envoy, is planning her first trip outside Juba. She will visit Western Equatoria State. The state-run television SSBC reported this news. Adu said this after meeting Governor James Al-Taib Barapai on Monday. Since her appointment on August 20th, Adu has met many leaders in Juba. He met with them. She has talked with vice presidents, military officers, and other top officials. Governor Barapai said the meeting was good. He invited Adu to visit Western Equatoria. She accepted the invitation. He said, we talk about important issue for the people of Western Equatoria. She agreed to visit us soon. The meeting was positive and fruitful. We thank her and we thank the president for appointing her. Western Equatoria has faced insecurity for a long time. The governor said he now wants to listen to the people and work for peace with army group. He said it is time for peace. Community must live together in harmony. Jolin kon magwaseme nyam men wo jene were we ka Western Equatoria jene tactic gwan chaje logon to mi ngai kon Western Equatoria jen go down the courten to kub kir mayardit ja chaje ngetre wichin wine mi anyokene de tit right yen ogor kono da du dar wo Western Equatoria signe te mo ngat ka ba ban mi sha du che wo ba gu jene new face ba je ngat aken minere to bu go lu njok biganete kona ngat kan ngasi ka bonen kona te doran chung kan ka kekel bikan ka nyong mulokan ka e ko ci chek jaben mala nyal ke nyaker mi yadit ko mon bolel tong mi bu apologize ni jen ba der be jolar be lar no sien gwar so whatever mi gwar che la la mi jeg ba jer ka ba je correct and she's right but she point out do te de convince nene de kontila jiwich point de ko ran jen ka gwan mi je ka gwan dan dar te ko ken kontila de der ka kulalat but gwan mi che no bi malbe ben tele way out. Adu Salva Kiir jena jaram cha kwanya la presidential envoy jena messenger ke ramadana la nubla janang ba jaga gwan ba mi welat ba jawlat so jen take influence mi dit awajen shengan yam ko dare jere wi ka Juba ko dare wo ka Western Equatoria State mi che to go no she wo ka Western Equatoria State aka jom chalat ke South Sudan television adu chajel jogono buwere we ka Western Equatoria then kwa invite neje Governor James Al-Taib Barapi ke jelat de nyam dare wo ka Western Equatoria nganya je gwa no Western Equatoria take security chegwa ngai kona gwade dana cha adu chaje kwantin ne ka chanya dangro ka pai badda kron ki dangro jan dangro didich je ka kwartu ngwana long ka wike Juba je gane de kone la vice president je ka military officers ala dine je ka top official ba ray wike South Sudan ka Juba ko jen gor jen o baje nget ke baje nok jelar bisit kana mo alaram dan la governor ko Western Equatoria mi chalga Barapai wun pai kwan jen cha du che chola no bir ka Western Equatoria ya du che jenok ken men dan chigar yal ke wo bi ken de content winimi bi kan go convince ko de kan de ni de kan jala ka kel ka de ka chon kel ken de kon la de ni SSPDF ko ne de tere wudun winimi already chicken SSPDF la trust anymore kan ngaje no SSPDF yos ken je ko be kanak anyok ban je ngaje no en Western Equatoria teten kam dur dangro belenda kene to koken tin chalka zandene so yotha ga kir mayardit clash muto ga chere maten war mentama nuare kene tichalga tate katin chalke murle ke jaba ngai correct kona to so the same tactic yotha jaba ko Western Equatoria but right now a number of people you can show logo no big tekel ke big ke can support nga tama dan shi wuri shalka me Alfred Futuye me charge wujala governor me charge de wonang na dora try you would no choro yo barbo choro do barai ro gwada dan to kuma sfela yo ten kora na sfela yo so wouldn't win me chikon me dan ci tok chan nyangach no chwa nyanga dial chwa yare wuch den chu kwera rawde jara me dan e shukul do dalo jala kwera kwa governor mi jidit kwa la pai kwan so mi chikana me bi malbe ben adut go she has to do more than that visiting people. No, that's not how she can do things. So point I do that convince no one. Release Dr. Machar, let the peace agreement talk began, dialogue down gorke, ko bi malbeben but me jelle ne gwas na gwadum ka gwadum me ka walde me yishu jatin re wiki juba so na me tele malmi beno so belani the same thing let gwana a changa ngai jene dial no jene be me gwabi jeno ka pele the main problem che mo won jen go sini ko to we je kana ko je kana de find a convenient content re wiki juba la kwar ken aku convince gwan aro kene ti ala koni yan ka dakra macha lo nge then machalo then she can go anywhere okay da wena gwa she can go anywhere gwa sanda no je der wutan but me pele main problem living juba gwa dana to problem tin ano kulo gwan ko ken kuna lo convince chonkel ka gwar do bidien baye kulo no je tel do ma baye no je so na me cha du che jacob la kwer me gwa this point ko mo woni jene ko cha chola governor mi yerna ko pa kwan jen point de regan tere wiki jubare le ka den bu ko jen bo gwar den but mi we ngut like that ka ta mo tel do mo mi bi mal ben ka je so na me jeka chana nyaklo jok kaler den bu kon lingwa me to kon kaler kel very important me de kon ling kaler mo bala dungut commercial ka makwach makwach tudio jangai kon diale okay makwach tudanga makwach tut ka do badane na men chalat ke gwasme ajen te ke ne tijichut ano joka nas no de wuri shalke makwach ano de je jogo no de roda kapchong so ngai kone makwach tude gok ke gok mi mo mitiki influence dwal ne tum wan keje ban jome ban je linken ka jo chalat gwasme wa wuri shalke makwach wajen chalado dong der wokor ke der nyin ke kume kirme yadit katin kon latke kuma kim yadi da waka gwade nyam jenne je chiode no de mal derben but chaje ben turn down ka kore me chelo no ba kor but teje tuogo no ne na ngai kon ne jen paire we dan kan kor ne tuoke buga pai diok ano sha makwa cha jang ne ti jene ka juba cha nong yo gwade dan e tetin an wena moni chwa makwa cha jo convince ka chuma kwa chuchute lo ramimo mi dong ade menana chalat dere jogor e kume kirme yadit so medan chana kai nyala no makwa chaje de jur ke yo chaje de mo ke yo but to toga dial agwade dan but right now chagu toga no kejan gwasmen tama shikum nyoko mi shot kan di kontela kume kirme yadit shot kan no makwa akwa convince ko jen achile one achu kor ke ne ke che jakor gwan monaka ganwari lar ka jen o jen shiram mo de respond ketin kon lat karodien right now tilat kerodien ti cha gore kir no dong te karodien mu nuer ka mede dier ka lia dana naka nuer ka je ko dwal ke wuri shal ke makwa jene ken makwa gone no jen be stay down so makwa cha gor no jen der langu der law gwa kur ki der ro jakoram mo mede nuer de ka gang bana jo me bana je linkel ngai kona no la spiritual leader la prophet makwai tut ngai kona no ram dwal na je ko jan la take miracle la ko perform ka jo chalat gwaseme our civil society leader has called on the national government to urgently intervene and stop a spiritual leader reported to be mobilizing youth to attack part of Upper Nile state no civil society kan kanit cheka edmun yakane chitka den termanyang these are the people kwa wuda me mishal ke me makwaje lo convene no jin chuna chuka mobilize no okay she wuda shall get termanyang at which the executive director of the Center for Peace and Advocacy kelado nene wa makwaj tut gore jeno no be malakal be jamak no so they yen right kaje ko chena moche delat and gwaseme ngai no dong wuri shall get enter sorry den termanyang ke termanyang gadwich no dong dia nun ke ting wore the no tambele juni national government raje ke termanyang no ke national government mitel michigan lad no won gwaza dan nakan werten mi yere te gan wer me den wede ka gang de gori jen go dong be wala no joga na ti kwaje convince bukan kul convince de kana kaneka at this point chater manyanga which no kan rieda kan no gwadame chete condemn point and ter manyanga jo dan chilat gwasme no joga national government no yen joga wudi chalkame makwai tudi jen a chi ngane ke mobilize ngai jen go nakanwere ke telam lat kenen won ba kulo ling ne jore ko raje ke kwi makwai tut wala ba nguba lelon yo muna ganwere yo teram bi condemn kake e wedien so me take a sample mden werlok dende la I condemn this so jom chikana me chiter manyang gadwe chejalat jen kwer mali la roja ko online, but at this point kamichala de very wrong lunga je jeni che report mo chejek. So and we purpose makuach wajene chi doni. Okay, yesterday we received a credible report for the movement of the purple makuach that was 3 to 2 weeks ago, and yesterday it was in a place called Magog. Magog is one of the Payam in Ayod County in the northern part of Ayod. Jen wudi chalga me ter manyang chala noi wudi chalga me purple makuach panga je te ka Magog. Magog ka Payam dunga Ayod County wajen gwadran tetine wa kuni wan ko mobilize lo na kor we jakap ka penal ukan malakal ukan dak wawe ka PG ka bukan ka penal lo bukan malakal bukan yan match ka jodan chalat ka jem latir manyang we jene de wude me de convince ko che de kor. So me kana ku convince them when adobe de jo convince ka jama. So people share realize no ne to one me can ngaje no nakane where they keep quiet. So me get radian michile logo mana naga no then they will talk. So being active is okay. Shine go shiga be betray like that. Shine go shiga be yar. So Termanyang ko take a jubela talk. Of course, their role depend in such way. Ko there laro no there right there go gorje and over bajeling and 18 county la jang and somebody neutral, but you don't be neutral at this point, my brother. Shouldn't be neutral at this point. Very wrong. And that thing does not give you any credit. And will be laro no it's your national government and when you chicken cooling right then moko biken would shall come Dr. Michar biken. So me Nuer to the Caribbean gang then be a kaidnial. Position kun gang kemet. So me chicken me Michalat key would commercial kame makuach Gwegeno makuach bakor beja kap near con la jang kamalakal again queen and kakan tichualkati activism or a taken kamalat can a joke national government Michigan dear what do they know about peace? Manakagan when I'm a catcher they don't care. Adobe and they can cool good allow cherry license or a land where Mishara Mugi no take power became a good no baram by the convince coach a how civil society imitating civil society name. So civil society media can composition can no back links. Those are not civil society activists. Can it mogor can a quan, ki gorgan a door. This is very wrong. She chong come and chala the Kentish civil activists. So tell my younger which you are very wrong. Jin Ramimo la advocate for peace, but no, she mistake Latin. You do not have any right, Commissioner Mo. Mugurja, national government, cool lad, and Michigan doctor, Machari can lungija. Bugalo Goro Quanwell, stop Guadman Hakatin. May Naka Guadamo, Boga, Karena, Mushilella, what have you done? Nothing. Kajino Cholika and Guadman. So, budget level low, January at some time. Come we would like that we would come down co advocate no large and a would shalame quite to this and where they gang. Me take a power which I use on it. Pay and native content Kelly contact go no dem Malderben. So Joe me Mugo no DNA ma purple ma quite tooth guarded anticon and Adino charge deal cocola talk at this point Qatar and Chala Guadame. So me take a drum dem Malderben, why not? Let him do it. So jan jordan gode nywa yekel ane gorno biler bi nywa ne ko ken ban jegal redin biata mal bye.